If you're ready to kick your daily commute into overdrive and experience the pulse-pounding excitement of cutting-edge technology, then you're in for a treat. Get set to soar through the streets in style with the top 5 best commuter electric bikes of 2024. Number 5 on our list, the Freedare Ebike, is a revolutionary choice for urban commuters seeking a seamless blend of style, safety, and performance. With its cutting-edge smart app functionality, riders can enjoy a more intelligent and secure experience, complete with health and ride tracking, route planning, and anti-theft features. Powered by a robust 750-watt Bafang motor, this bike effortlessly conquers all terrains, including steep inclines up to 30 degrees, while reaching speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. Its long-range capability, courtesy of a 48-volt 20-ampere-hour Samsung battery, ensures carefree travel for up to 100 miles on a single charge, all while maintaining battery safety and efficiency. Safety is paramount with the Freedare Ebike, featuring a light-sensitive front light, IPX5 grade waterproofing, and dual hydraulic disc brakes for enhanced rider security in any condition. Moreover, its accessible design, reinforced aluminum frame, and ergonomic features cater to riders of all levels, ensuring a comfortable and relaxed riding experience every time. With the Freedare Ebike, commuting becomes not just a necessity, but a joyous adventure. Introducing the Level 2 commuter bike, where innovation meets performance to redefine your riding experience. With a top speed of 28 miles per hour and a remarkable range of up to 60 miles, this e-bike is engineered to keep you moving efficiently throughout your day. Designed with a payload capacity of 300 pounds, it's sturdy enough to carry your essentials for any journey. Equipped with a torque sensor, the Level 2 bike adapts to your pedaling intensity, enhancing your power output while conserving battery life for extended rides. Its powerful 500-watt rear hub motor ensures swift acceleration and effortless navigation through various terrains. The integrated backlit LCD display provides real-time updates on your speed, battery charge, and pedal assist level, offering an intuitive interface for seamless control. Plus, with 5 levels of pedal assist and a throttle option, you have the flexibility to tailor your riding experience to your preferences. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring new trails, or simply joyriding around town, the Level 2 commuter e-bike is your ultimate companion for adventure and convenience. Presenting the Heybike Horizon electric bike, a true marvel in the world of folding e-bikes. Sporting a stunning sunset gradient color scheme, this bike not only turns heads, but also evokes a sense of nostalgia for those unforgettable sunrise and sunset moments. Imagine cruising through the streets with friends, the vibrant hues catching everyone's eye as you glide past. But it's not just about looks. The Heybike Horizon packs a punch with its unique horse-link suspension system and hydraulic front suspension, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride over any terrain. With its powerful 1200-watt peak motor, this e-bike offers enhanced climbing ability and speeds up to 28 miles per hour, making it faster and more robust than other foldable electric bikes on the market. Plus, with a maximum long range of 55 miles on a single charge, courtesy of the 692 watt-hour removable battery, the Heybike Horizon is your ticket to endless exploration. And let's not forget its practicality. The foldable design and step-through frame make it easy to store and accessible for riders of all ages and abilities. So whether you're commuting, conquering hills, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride around the city, the Heybike Horizon is your ultimate companion for adventure and convenience. Introducing the VELOWAVE Ranger S, an electric bike designed to elevate your riding experience to new heights. With its powerful 750-watt brushless motor and 48-volt 15-ampere-hour LG cell battery, this bike delivers exceptional performance and reliability. The dual hydraulic disc brakes and adjustable hydraulic suspension fork ensure precise control and comfort, even on the most challenging terrain. Whether you're commuting through city streets or exploring rugged mountain trails, the Ranger S is built to handle it all. With 3 riding modes to choose from, pure electric, pedal assist, and classic bike, you have the flexibility to ride however you prefer. Plus, with a maximum speed of up to 28 miles per hour in pedal assist mode and 20 miles per hour by throttle, combined with the tender 26 inches by 4 inches all-terrain fat tire, you can conquer any terrain with ease. The step-through aluminum 6061 alloy frame makes it easy for riders of all heights to get on and off, while the high-luminance headlight and rear reflector ensure visibility and safety during night rides. With a stable frame structure capable of supporting up to 350 pounds, this bike is suitable for riders of most sizes. Whether you're tackling steep slopes or carrying heavy loads, the VELOWAVE Ranger S delivers excellent riding performance every time. The Lectric One e-bike stands as the epitome of innovation and sophistication in the realm of electric commuter bikes. Offering a commendable 45-mile range, this bike ensures a hassle-free and efficient commute for riders. Its 500 watt-hour, 10.4 ampere-hour battery pack powers a formidable 1310 watt peak motor. Incorporating the latest stealth M24 technology for a whisper-quiet ride. Boasting a pinion gearbox with smart shift capability, riders can effortlessly pre-select gears using the Pinion Smart Shift app for seamless auto shifts. The inclusion of the Gates Carbon Drive belt system ensures a chainless drivetrain that's not only low maintenance, but also remarkably smooth and strong. With features like hydraulic brakes, brake-activated taillights, and reflective strips, safety is prioritized without compromise. Adding to its allure is the sleek aerodynamic frame, vibrant color display, and city tires, elevating the riding experience to unparalleled heights. The Lectric One e-bike isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a statement of style, efficiency, and ingenuity. And that's a wrap, but wait, before you pedal off into the sunset, check out the links in the description below to get up close and personal with each of these rides. And hey, while you're at it, show us some love by smashing that like button, dropping a comment, and sharing this video with all your biking buddies. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep the wheels spinning and the adventure alive.